Hi, today video I talk about git checkout and reset command. In last video we can see the git commands like how to add the files to the staging area and how to do commit and how to check the commit using the git log and how to see the difference of the files between these stages using git diff command, and we can see git rm, how to remove the file from that working directory or staging area. And today we can talk about git checkout and reset. First we can see what is git checkout. This command helps to discard the unstaged changes. That unstaged changes means this working directory is the untracked. The files are in the working directory that are called the untracked files. If you can add that file to the staging area, that files are called the tracked files. So you can remember, you have one file here, you can use git add command to send the file to the staging area. Now you can have one copy here, you can edit here, and then if you edit, that changes are called as the unstaged changes. So if you don't need this edit means this modification, you can use git checkout command to remove this unstaged changes. That purpose we can use the git checkout command, and here you can enter the git checkout --. Here you can what file you need to discard the unstaged changes. You can enter that file name here, and you can see the another one command, git reset. This command, git reset command, helps to remove changes from the staging area, and also we can use git reset to undo the commit in the local repository. So these two purposes we can use the git reset. Let's see how to use this. Here you can see git reset --help. This means you can use this command and enter the file. What file you need to remove changes from the staging area, you can enter that file name here, and you can see you can have one file here, you can use git add to move that file to staging area. Now the file is here. So you can see if you send the one file here, you don't need that file, you wrongly send the file to the staging area. That means you can use git reset to discard the changes in the staging area. That purpose we can use the git reset, and we can use the git reset mixed soft hard. These all are called the modes. These commands can be used to undo the changes in the commit. If you can do any commit, but later if you remove that commit means you can use these commands to remove this commit, discard the commit or undo the commit. And you can see, first you can see git reset --, mixed, then here we can enter the commit ID, and --, mixed means if you have one committed file here, if you can run this command will delete the files in the, it can create the changes in local repository and staging area also. So that is the git reset mixed command. Next command you can see git reset --, soft. If you can use this command, if you already have one commit here, you can use this command. It will create a changes only in the local repository. It not create changes in the staging area and working directory. So that is the git reset soft. And another one is the git reset hard. This one is called danger command. If you can use this command, the entire file will delete it in 3 stages. So these are the commands in git checkout and reset. Next, move to next slide. And here you can see These are the difference between these commands, mixed, soft and hard. You can see the working directory and staging area and local repository. You can use -mixed. It not create any changes in the working directory. It create changes in the staging area and local repository. And you can use the -soft mode. This also same, it not create the any changes in the working directory, and also it not create any changes in the staging area. It only do changes in local repository. And you can use the -hard command. It will, I already told it is from danger command. You can use this command. It will do changes in all the stages, working directory, staging area, local repository. All files will be deleted. So let's move to how to do practically. Here I already created one working repository. Here I don't have any file. I've created files here. Here I create a text file. I will give the name file1.txt and enter. I create another one file. File2.txt and create another one file. File3.txt. So now we have 3 files in our working repository. I add some lines here. This is first file. Let's save this. And I have another one line here. This is second file. Save this. Okay, now you open the terminal. Here I first initialize this working repository. If you type this command, one local repository will be created in our working directory. So here you can see the one folder is created, that is the local repository. Now I go here. First I add one file to the, let's take the status, git status. So here you can see we have 3 files in the untracked stage. That means that files are in the working directory. Now I move this file to the staging area, git add, then enter the file name, file1.txt. Let's enter. File1.txt. So here you can see this is the name. Let's again type the command git status. Now you can see you have one file in the staging area. And also I have the same file in our working directory also. Now here I add the another line. This is demo. So here we can modify that file in working repository, but these modifications are not in our staging area. So sometimes if you don't need this last modification in our working directory, means you can use the git checkout command. So here you can see how to use this git checkout and --, then enter the file name, file1.txt.txt. So here I type this command git checkout file1.txt. So now we can check this command will remove our unstaged changes in our working directory. So let's go and check here. So here you can see, here we don't have that edit modified line. So this checkout command helps to discard the unstaged changes. That unstaged changes means that are in our working directory. So now we can see I already add the file1.txt command to the staging area. Now I go here and add one line to the file2. This is demo and save this. Now I go here, I again type the same command, but here I mention file2. Let's see what will happen. So here you got error, did not match, because if you have the file in the staging area and also in the working directory, then only this checkout command will be work. Because here we don't have any file2.txt in the staging area, so it's not work. So then we can move to the another command, that is a git reset. This command helps to remove the changes from the staging area and undo the commits in the local repository. First we can see how to remove the changes from staging area. First we can check, we already know this ls command helps to view the what are the files, list the what are the files in our working directory, and this command git ls-file files, this command helps to show the what are the files in our staging area. And git log, this command will show the what are the commits we have already done. Here I not done any commit, so it show here does not have any commit yet. So let's see how to use the git reset command. I already have one file in my staging area. Let's see how to use git reset and then type the file name file1.txt. Let's again type this command git ls-files. Here you can see, here you have one file in staging area. After you run the reset command, here no file, because this reset file1.txt helps to remove the changes, what are the lost changes happening in the staging area, that will remove that. So now here we don't have any file here, and we can see how to use these modes, mixed and soft, hard. Now we can see how to use that. First I add the one file to the staging area and add to the local repository. Let's type this command git add file1.txt and add git add star. This command helps to store and denote the what are the files in the source area, that all the files are moved to the staging area. Let's check ls and type this command git ls-files. So here you can see we can have 3 files in our staging area. Now we commit these files. Git commit -m and then enter the first commit message. I will here type this is first commit, enter. Now you can see 3 files changed. That means these 3 files are moved to the local repository. Let's check git logs. So git log. So here you can see this is the first commit. Let's check the staging area, git ls -files. So now we do the first commit. Now we run the first commit. Let's type this command git status. So here you can see no file here because all file are being committed to the local repository. So now you want to edit this commit means I will create another one file, then add here. I go here and type another one file, create another one file, file 4.txt. Then go here. Now commit that file to the local repository. Git status. Now I have one file in untracked stage, that is the working directory. Now I add this file to the staging area. Git add file 4.txt. Enter. Then again check the status, git status. You can see one file in the staging area. Now I commit this file to the local repository. Git commit -m and enter this is second commit, enter. Let's check the status, git status. Now we have no file here because the 2 commits are in the local repository. Let's type this command git log -one line. So here you can see we have the 2 commits. This is the first commit, this is the second commit. I already told latest commit have the head, and if you want to delete this commit means, let's see how to do that. Here I used the git reset mixed command. We already see if you can use the mode mixed, it will do the changes in the staging area and local repository. Let's do that. Now I type this command git reset and modes is mixed, and then enter the commit ID. So here you can see if you want to remove this undo this commit means you not enter this ID. You can enter this ID, then only it will delete it. So I copy this, so type this def bf ce4. Let's enter. Now I again type this command git log -one line. So here you can see now we have only one commit because this command do the changes in both staging area and local repository. Now we don't have the commit in local repository. Let's check the staging area. We can use this command to check the staging area, git ls hyphen files. Type this command git status. So here you can see our last commit is the file 4. Now this file come to the staging area. So it will create the changes in both local repository and staging area. Let's see how to use the soft modes in reset command. First I commit this file to the local repository, git commit -m, then enter the message here. This is again type here, I will type soft. This is soft commit. Let's save this, just enter. Okay, you can see we don't have any file in the staging area. Here this files in the untracked files, because this file created, this mixed command create the changes in both local repository and staging area. So this file again move to the working directory. So here I again add to the staging area and again commit to the local repository. I type this command git add file4 dot txt, enter. Now I type this command git commit -m and enter the, this is soft commit, enter. Now you got one response, one file changed. Let's check this, git log -19. So here you can see, here we have the latest commit. This is soft commit. So now we can use the soft mode to undo these changes. Let's see how to do that. Git reset. This command create the changes only in the local repository. It not do any changes in the working directory and the staging area. Let's type git reset and type this command soft, and here we will enter the commit ID. In last commit we can see, if you want to do changes in this commit means you can enter this commit ID. So let's type that commit ID df bf ce4, enter. Now again type this command git log -online. Sorry, this is online. So let's see, you can see here we have only one command. This latest command will be removed. Now type the git status. So here you can see our one file will move to the staging area, because it not create any changes in the, it will create changes in the local repository. It not do any change, any delete in the staging area. Because here you can see, if we are user mixed, at that time the file directly move to working repository. So because that you can use mixed, it will create the, it will delete the changes in both the local repository and the staging area. But here if you can use the soft command, it will create, it will delete only the commit in the local repository. So it again move to the staging area. Let's see how to use the git hard command. I again move this commit to the, move this file to the local repository, git add, then enter the git commit -m, and then I will type, this is final commit, let's enter. Now we got the response. The file will move to a local repository. Let's check git status, no file here, and then type this command git log hyphen one line, enter. Now you can see we have the two commit. This is the final commit and this is the latest commit. Now we can see we can use the hot command to remove the commit, but if you can use the hot command, it will remove the files in the all the three areas. Let's see. I will use the command git reset and type the mode hard and then enter the commit ID. Here I will enter the commit ID. Let's enter. Let's again type git log hyphen one line, center. Sorry, this is one line. So now you can see the last changes commit is removed. Let's type this command git status, no files here because all files are removed. Let's type this command git ls hyphen file. This command helps to list the files in the staging area. Here you can see. Let's type ls. So this is the way to use the checkout and reset commands in the git. Thank you.